Think you know kangaroos? Think again. These iconic Australian marsupials are facing unexpected challenges in their changing environment. Discover the surprising secrets of the red kangaroo's survival in this episode. Red kangaroos are among the most well-known animals in the world. Their powerful legs enable them to jump over 30 feet in a single bound. And their big tails help balance them as they hop around their native Australia. There's just one problem. As Australia's iconic red center turns into a thirsty, burnt orange, these famous four-legged friends are finding it hard to survive. Hi, I am here to introduce you to this mini-series all about the amazing animals that call Australia home. In this episode, we'll explore the surprising life of a red kangaroo. You might think that an animal as well known as the red kangaroo would have no surprises left. But these iconic Australian marsupials are facing unexpected challenges in a changing environment. So let's hop to it. Red kangaroos are found across the continent of Australia, where they can live in a variety of habitats, from arid deserts to grasslands. They're well adapted to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth, thanks to their powerful legs, which allow them to travel long distances in search of food and water. But recently, things have been getting tougher for red kangaroos. Climate change is causing more frequent and severe droughts, as well as extreme heat and wildfires, all of which destroy the plants they need to eat. And as more people move to Australia's cities, their farms and houses are encroaching into the red kangaroo's natural habitat. Land clearing for agriculture and development is also fragmenting their habitat, making it harder for them to find food and mates. On top of that, red kangaroos are in competition with livestock such as sheep and cattle for food and water. And because they often lose this battle, they can go hungry or thirsty. This can make them sick and leave them with little energy to find new sources of food. Even with all these challenges, red kangaroos continue to thrive across Australia. So what makes them so resilient? Well, for starters, red kangaroos are picky eaters. They can digest tough grasses that other animals can't, and they can go without water for long periods of time, getting most of their moisture from the plants they eat. When conditions are really dry, red kangaroos will also move to higher ground where there's more vegetation. And if there's a big drought, they'll head even further away from their home territory in search of food and water. If you've seen one red kangaroo, you've probably noticed its fur. But did you notice that it's actually two colors? The red kangaroo's fur is reddish on the outside and white underneath. This helps camouflage them from predators. When they're standing in a mob, their reddish backs blend in with the red dirt of the outback, while their light bellies help outline their shapes against the sky. This trick helps keep them safe from aerial predators like eagles and also helps them regulate their body temperature. And while we're talking about their fur, did you know that each red kangaroo has a unique coat pattern, kind of like a fingerprint? This helps them recognize each other as individuals, which is important for breeding and caring for young. Speaking of young, red kangaroos have a special trick up their furry little sleeves. While most mammals give birth to several babies at once, red kangaroos typically have one baby, also called a joey, at a time. That might seem like a disadvantage, but it actually gives them a lot more flexibility when it comes to breeding. Since red kangaroos can carry their babies in their pouches for up to a year, they can wait until conditions are right before giving birth. If there's been a drought or bushfire, they can delay birth until things improve, ensuring that their offspring has the best chance of survival. Finally, red kangaroos are social animals who live in groups called mobs that can number in the dozens or even hundreds. Mobs are led by a dominant male and several females with their joeys. This social structure provides a lot of benefits. It takes a lot of energy to find food, but when you're in a mob, you can share the knowledge of where to find the best sources of nutrition. Mobs can also work together to defend their territory from outsiders. And when there's a threat like a dingo or a human, the kangaroos can look out for each other and their young, making it harder for predators to get close enough to attack. Although red kangaroos are doing a pretty good job of adapting to a changing environment, Their future will depend on the actions humans take to protect their habitat and ensure their survival. Red kangaroos are not only iconic Australian animals, they're also an important part of the ecosystem. They disperse seeds as they hop around, which helps regenerate native vegetation and maintain biodiversity. As grazers, they also influence plant growth and help control vegetation in their habitats. And for Aboriginal Australians, red kangaroos have cultural significance, featuring in stories, art, and traditions that have been passed down for thousands of years. As you can see, red kangaroos are truly remarkable animals, and they play an important role in the Australian ecosystem. So the next time you see a red kangaroo, take a moment to appreciate its unique adaptations and the challenges it faces. Because by understanding and respecting the natural world around us, we can all help ensure that these iconic creatures continue to thrive for generations to come. This mini-series is all about the amazing animals that call Australia home. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, we'll explore the incredible adaptations and unique characteristics that make Australia's wildlife so fascinating. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the incredible animals of Australia. Thanks for watching. To learn more about red kangaroos and how you can help protect them, check out the links below. And be sure to tune in next time for more adventures in Australia's wild outback. See you!